poppin'? I desperately want to try the trend of colorful liner and lashes. Thinking of doing purple. I'm gonna use the Glamify Me a little bit dramatic lashes for this. LA Girl Pro Concealer, Makeup and Murder pigments with the mixer. So I'm gonna coat the lashes entirely in the light concealer, getting them completely covered. Go ahead and let this dry. I'm gonna work on the liner. The pigment right on a plate. This mixer turns pigments into liquids, which you can then use for liner. Just putting a few drops of that out. So pretty. I'm gonna take a liner brush and the liner I created and draw out my wing. These are literally the hottest fire wings I've ever seen. Now that the concealer's dried on the lashes, I'm gonna coat it with the pigment. Don't be shy, really saturate the lashes. On my real lashes, I'm gonna put a white mascara, put some of the liquid pigment on a spoolie, and run it through the lashes. Let's apply. That is fucking sick. I look fucking hot.
Hi guys, so it's Alabama here with my dad. And today we're going to be trying to cover up his face tattoos with Kennedy's new product, Good Apple. The first shade is Light 10. I feel like that's way too light for him. The next shade is Light 015. Okay. So, where's your first tattoo at?
My first tattoo was on the leg.
Which one's your favorite tattoo?
Probably the one you just covered.
Both. Now we're going to get this little handkerchief.
That's an anchor, babe. Handkerchief.
I'm so sorry. We're going to be covering his finger.
Anchor. It's an anchor.
Anchor. Okay, that's just with one layer. It looks great. And that is pretty much it. We did cover the breasts and we covered this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.
How does that look good? We need to try that. First, I'm gonna draw those little squares on my face. Where do you even start with this? I marked everything. We are moving along nicely. They're not really even, are they? And we have a couple of little mistakes here. Finally done. Don't be a square. I had to say it. Okay, now I'm gonna fill it out. I'm not really gonna do it how she did it. Going with the deepest shade first. I don't know why, it just made sense to me. Did I really put it on my brow? She does put it on her brows. It's on my brows. Still happening 2,000 years later. This is trippy to even look at. I'm planning it in the next video because I'm out of time.
So I always moisturize really well, and then I do my eyes first because I always get fallout eyeshadow under my eyes, so I like to do my eyes first. I like to contour first because it doesn't get all muddy and splotchy. It blends really nice. I just blend it upward. I know I look crazy, but don't worry, this technique works. Now I'm just applying foundation around the contour. I don't go on top. I'll go a little bit on top over here just because I don't like the contour coming down that far. Blend, blend, blend. That's the key. Blend as much as you can. Blend so much that your face hurts. That was a tip from Kylie Jenner's makeup artist. I think his name's Makeup by Ariel or Ariel. I don't know. I go on concealer. Blend that with the same beauty blender. Heavy powder contour too. This is the final result. It blends well and no dryness.